Hello again. I'm William Vinson, guesswilliam.com. I hope you've had a great day. I want to approach another situation today. You know, we always run across these things, and I got a curious mind, so I was looking on every time I upload a video, I get one of these things. You know, the checklist on the side of TubeBuddy says, "Have you created your cards yet?" Well, I didn't know what the cards were, so I decided I was going to find out today, and I'm going to show you what I found out. First thing I did was I went to actually what I did was went to YouTube, and seeing how my YouTube won't come up on Safari for the last couple of days. I don't know what's going on with the two of them. I went to my Chrome browser and I went to search engine, and I went to ask.com to find out what they said on here. You know, you go to Ask, it's like going to Google, but Ask is a different one. So this is ask.com. You could have gone to Google, I suppose, and you'd have found the same thing. But this is just a different search engine, and it stays here. So anyway, I said, what are cards on YouTube? And I came up with this guy here. I don't remember his name right now, but it'll show up in a minute. And it says how to set up and use YouTube infomercial and interactive cards. You see the one down here below it. Well, I took that video and went and looked for it in Content Gorilla. I listened to a little bit of it, so I knew what I was doing there. This is Content Gorilla. Now, in case you hadn't got that, this is an app that you can get on your phone where you can search for videos and URLs. Now, I've talked to you about this one before, and you can type in any search engine, any video topic you want to talk about. So let's look just to show you. I'm going to put online, online marketing and push search, and it shows you the top. Well, it shows you how many ever there are, but see, they got different pages, so you can go from page to page in here, and you can get the top videos on YouTube for online marketing. Neil Patel is a big one. I was telling you the other night I knew about him too, because he's got a lot of videos in here. You can see two on this first page. How digital marketing will change, and this one here, how to start a digital marketing agency. But see, you can listen to them here too and see if there's anything that you
digital marketing is going to change in 2019. What's been working for the last...
Turn the volume down some where you can listen to it. You heard that you can do that and see what the video is about. And if it's something that you want, you can hit create post here. I'll show you while we're here. And this is the Neil Patel, how digital marketing will change. And you see it brought the video over here and has it digitalized, his whole how many ever minute content from that video that he just had, 5 minutes and 54 seconds. So it's all taken the words out, all 1180 of them, and typed it in here. Now this is for sharing on blogs and stuff, but you can't really take it directly off of here because it needs edited. There's a problem with it. It's got his name in there for one, and it doesn't have a whole lot of abbreviations and comments. It's listening to it like Siri does on your phone, and she don't get it right all the time either. So this thing don't neither, but it gives you a good idea. So you can take this thing, and instead of having to memorize everything he said or take notes, you get it printed out and you can do it like that. Anyway, point being, I went over back to where we started from on this guy here and looked up his video, and it's on this particular part of YouTube, and here's the same video, and it's got how to set up and you use YouTube info interactive cards. You can create a post on this too. I didn't do that yet. I just started following along with what he said, but because I can't get YouTube on my Safari today, I had to go to my Chrome browser, and the good thing for computers having so many browsers, and I'm gonna go here. This is this is how you do it. You go to put your cards in. You come up here to your icon or your avatar or whatever you want to call this thing, and you come over to click on the thing and go to YouTube beta, because that's going to be the. I found a way today where you could change change it, and it would go to classic all the time if you wanted it to. I don't remember how to do that right now, but it will do that. Anyway, you come once it finally gets here. I got some. Okay, here we are in Studio Beta. We went under Video Manager and the videos. We come over here to the video and we'll click fast forward. Click on the video. You see how it's got all the information up at the top. Cards, end screen, turn that off. And all of these things. So you can add a card here from your video or playlist, from your channel or your poll. And the link's not enabled thing with that. You got to have a certain amount of watch time and a certain amount of hours and all of that. But you can come in and play with it anyway and see, because you can create your playlist, a video playlist, and we'll say, I'm going to create this card here. I wonder if you can do, let's see if we can do something. How about we'll do that one. Create card. Okay, now the card's created. We're going to do this is set this cards as a cards template. Now, I don't see a save button on here anywhere. So we have saved that as a card. So this is, anyway, you know how to get there with that. You come to, in case you, see if we can back up again. Video Manager to videos. Click on the video. Oh, that ain't how you do it. Here we go, this one. Cards, right here. Cards. And you see, you got a whole bunch of things under here that you can go to. Your information, audio, end screens. In case you hadn't got an end screen on there, all these things are right in here. So, you go from here to here and add a card. Okay. Once you get through doing all of that, you click Save Changes. Remember, Save Changes is one of those things that we always have to remember on everything we do. Now, in case this turned out after editing into a decent video, I'm going to publish it in a little bit. And if you got any comments, if you got any questions, and if you hadn't already liked and subscribed, I appreciate all the above. So y'all have a great day. Hopefully things will work out.